The video opens with a gentle, upbeat melody as customers are seen slipping into their favorite loungewear. One woman twirls by her window, sunlight catching on her soft pastel joggers. Another customer lounges on a velvet sofa, her feet tucked under her in a cloud-like, oversized hoodie. Captions fade in, reading, "Real customers, real comfort." Michael, a graphic designer, grins at the camera as he leans against the counter.
I practically live in this set. It's perfect for work calls and lazy Sundays.
The caption quotes him. He gestures to the stretchy waistband, laughing as his cat hops onto the counter, clearly approving of the soft fabric. Jenna hugs her knees to her chest, wrapped in a Sherpa-lined cardigan.
This cardigan is my absolute favorite. It feels like a warm hug, especially on rainy days.
The caption shares as she flips through her sketchbook, a gentle smile on her face. Samantha and Raj clink glasses of iced tea, laughter ringing out.
We love the matching sets. They make weekends feel like a mini retreat.
The caption beams. Their playful banter and shared glances capture the warmth of shared downtime. Ms. Wilson turns a page, her voice gentle.
Nothing beats winding down in these pants. They're so soft, I don't want to take them off,
reads the caption. She nestles deeper into her chair, the glow of the lamp illuminating her relaxed smile. Captions appear. Style meets comfort. Loved by you. The music swells as the last shot lingers on a pile of folded loungewear, sunlight streaming across the soft fabrics, a symbol of everyday joy and connection.